It has been a 4-month-long experience. We do 2 days a week here, and we are essentially learning everything from the ground up, foundations to floor systems to framing, roof systems, and kind of everything else in between. So I've gained a lot of confidence in the things that we have done and learned things that I don't even think I would be exposed to otherwise. I think Wild Abundance really draws amazing people from around the country. And again, like, it's such a welcoming environment that I've felt so nurtured here, and that makes me really excited to learn and express myself. As a woman, I was really scared to enter spaces like this prior because I have very little knowledge, or I'm all self-taught, and I was afraid of what I might face in like building or carpentry spaces. And so Wild Abundance has been specifically, our instructors have just been so welcoming and open and understanding of where we're all coming from. We all come from different backgrounds in terms of building and life in general, and it's just been such a wonderful space to have all this knowledge given to us in such a nice environment. Everyone should come to Wild Abundance at some point because it's just such a wonderful